Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to calculate average in Excel. So let's start. So in this video I show you different three ways to calculate average in Excel. So here you see I have some student data with the subject score. So simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the average and select the average functions and select the all subject score. After that, bracket closed and enter and just select the cell, drag this formula below the cell and here you see the average amount is calculated. If you want to remove the decimal, simply select the cell, go to the home tab in number group, click on the decrease decimal option. Just click on it and you can see here the changes. The decimal is decreased here. The second way, simply select the cell, use the control 1 and here the format cells dialog box is open. In number tab in category, click on the number options. In number option, you can see the sample and decimal places is 2. You can use the arrow key to decrease and increase the decimal and you can just enter here the manually also. After that, just click on OK and that's it. Here you can see the decimal is decreased. The second way, simply remove this first. Simply select the cell, go to the home tab. In editing, have a function icon. Just click on drop down arrow and click on the average. Here the range of data is automatically selected with the average function. Press the enter key and that's it. Select the cell, drag the functions below the cell. And the third way, I just remove this. Select the cell, go to the formulas tab, click on the insert function and here the insert function dialog box is open. In search for a function, just enter the function those you want to search and click on the go and here you can see the all average function is selected, is found. Okay. Then select the function those you want. After that, click on OK. And here the function argument for average is dialog box is open. In first numbers, select the arrow and select the range of marks. So I select the range of data. After this, click on arrow. Again, I remove this backspace. Again, click on the arrow and select the range of marks. After the selection B2 to D2, see here B2 to D2 selection. Then click on the arrow and here you can see the selection range with the data 81, 82, 92 is a score of subject. Okay. After that, you can check here the formula result also 85. After that, click on the OK and that's it. Just drag below this formula and here you can see the average is calculated. Okay. This is the three way you can calculate the average. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.